What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Before I start, I do want you to hit that subscribe button down below. I'm trying to hit 1,000 maybe before March. That would be badass. If we hit that, I'll be happy as shit. And maybe I'll do a little giveaway. We'll see. But back with the video. Today we are doing paddle shifters, and anybody with a G who doesn't have the paddle shifters, I know you want them. And if you say you don't, you a damn lie, because you know you want the paddle shifters. But yeah, I found them for 80 bucks. Usually they go for like $200-300. That's for the kit and everything. I don't have the extended little steering wheel cover, and I don't have the little accessories nor the bolts, so we're just gonna kind of makeshift and go with that. But if I get this job done with 80 bucks, then I saved like $240 on paddle shifters. That's a win for me. Okay, so I'm gonna just show the little working area right here, what we're gonna be looking at. So I raised the steering wheel, I brought it out all the way, and I put it up all the way. We're gonna be doing this right here. There's two little tabs right here. Oh, sorry. There's one right here on the other side. We're gonna take these tabs off. I'm not taking off the steering wheel just because that's too much work. So let's just get started. All right, so I just turned the car on just to get these tabs off and hopefully get the screws unscrewed, and then we can turn off the car and disconnect the battery. All right, I didn't need to show y'all how to unscrew Phillips. Quite simple, but anyway, got this loose and probably gonna disconnect the battery right now. Literally someone's screaming. I don't know who the fuck they are. All right, battery's disconnected. It's gonna be quite simple after this. So what we're gonna do is remove this, and then we're gonna be greeted with this right here. We're gonna disconnect this from the plug that it's in, and then we should be straight. All right, once you pull it out, you gotta kind of maneuver it out. Don't be scared, you're not gonna break anything. But you gotta maneuver this motherfucker out. Okay, now we're going to disconnect the steering wheel control from the switch. Just use a flathead, pressing that little tab, and then push it out. Pretty easy, boom, it's free. So, if you don't have the extra piece, the paddle shift version of this, probably gonna have to cut it with the Dremel. So get yourself a Dremel from Walmart. It's like $25. Save yourself the fucking heartache. And yeah, what else? All right, so we're done. Now that we took that off, all we have to do is cut these little things free, and should be good after that. Go into there, just like that. Boom. Don't cut yourself, all right? That shit sucks. All right, boom. There's one. Other one over here. Boom, that's two. We are more easy. What the hell? Sorry about that, the camera decided to fall. But I just got it strapped up right here. I just need a fucking bolt right here. And here's my makeshift solution. Actually, before I do that, let me put the other one on first. All right, so I got this ratchet and a 10 mil. You might be asking, what am I gonna do with it? I'm gonna borrow these. Pretty sure they're the same size. So, I don't need them here, so I'm gonna borrow them. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if my idea works. Hoping it does. I think it will. All right, here we go. Oh, and I was fucking right. Boom. Almost in, almost in, almost in. Eventually. All right, there we go. It's getting tight now. Don't want it to move. All right, just grab your tool, tighten it up a little bit more. Like, make sure it's nice. You don't really need to tighten it super much, like an extreme amount. Just as long as it's holding it down. What do y'all think about that little air freshener thing? Hell clean, right? I really wish I had the bolt to keep it stable, but this will do for now, so I'm not complaining. It's probably gonna be another 10mm nut. I need to find some and then I'll do it. All right, last piece. Gonna plug them in. Boom, that's 2. Now that that's done, all I need to do is see if this thing is gonna fit or not. I don't know if it will, but we're gonna see. All right, so since I didn't reconnect that other piece, I'm gonna just disconnect this part and I'll have it just on standby somewhere. I'll put it like right here and then just have it attached. Or even I can just put this, I can tuck it and then I'm gonna just keep this in the car when I need it. So that goes there for now. Or actually, glove box. Glove box for now. So paddle shifters are installed. I'm pretty sure they're gonna work. I'm happy about that. But if you have this and you don't want to buy a new little thing, I'm gonna try dremeling this whole perimeter. Let me show you. This whole perimeter, I'll dremel it out and keep these pieces right here, because this is all separate from this. This is connected to that, so it'll just be this flat piece trying to get in, rather than this whole big chunky piece. Other than that, I think everything else will fit just fine. Today, I might dremel it today, I might dremel it tomorrow, I don't really know. Depends how much time I have, and if somebody picks up my shift tonight. If they don't, I'm gonna be happy because I'm gonna make a bag. If they do, I'm gonna be happy because I'm gonna finish this. Other than that, that is the paddle shifter install. It is not hard at all, honestly. It took me like 15 minutes. I'm gonna go test them out now. All right, let's test these things out. I got that hoe in sport mode. Hopefully they work. Oh, they do. I can tell. The frame rate might be different on this just because I didn't swap it on the camera. I wish it keeps, I needed to keep the settings, but it won't. I gotta adjust it. Nice. They do work. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is badass. I don't know if y'all can hear it rattling. Oh, it's fine. So my exhaust rattles because the Wi-Fi bolt is loose, and that's just from being low, and it's annoying the hell out of me. I wish I could change it, but I need Wi-Fi. This dude just jumped in the middle of the street. Nice. Crater right here. That shit is so deceiving. Look at the road. You think it's flat, but it's not. God damn. Alright, here are the wonderful paddle shifters in their beautiful glory. I know it's a small mod, but it makes all the difference, and it just ties this whole cockpit together. It looks way more sporty now, and I'm so happy that I did it.